this video, I'll break down the entire BCom first year syllabus for 2025, subject by subject, semester by semester. No confusion, no jargon, just exactly what you need to know before your first lecture. A BCom degree usually has 6 semesters spread across 3 years, and each one builds on the previous one. The first year is all about laying the foundation, while later semesters dive deeper into finance, law, and business specializations. Now, semester 1 is where it all begins. Think of it as your foundation semester, the basics that set the tone for the next 3 years. You'll usually study 4 subjects here. Number 1, environmental studies. This subject usually covers pollution, biodiversity, climate change, and sustainability. You'll also learn why businesses today must adopt eco-friendly practices. Is it important? Academically, yes, because it's compulsory in most universities. But career-wise, it's more about awareness than core commerce skills. Number 2, financial accounting. This is the backbone of commerce. You'll study journal entries, ledgers, trial balance, profit and loss accounts, and balance sheets. Basically, you learn the language of business. And here's why it's important. Accounting sets you up for CA, CMA, or even global certifications. If you ever plan to work in finance, accounting, or even start your own business, this subject is non-negotiable. Number 3, business organization and management. Here, you'll explore how businesses are structured, how managers make decisions, leadership styles, and organizational goals. Think of it as the blueprint of how companies actually run. Is it important? Very. Even if you don't want to be a manager right away, this subject gives you the mindset to understand workplace dynamics. Number 4, English or another language, covers communication skills, business writing, grammar, and sometimes presentations or public speaking. Trust me, this one subject can make or break your career. Is it important? Extremely. Good communication is what separates average professionals from great ones, no matter which career you pick. See, semester 1 is like your starter pack. Environment, money, management, and communication. Now let's move to semester 2. This is where things get serious. You will dive into 3 core areas. Number 1, business law. This subject introduces you to contracts, agreements, and partnerships. In short, it teaches you the rules every business must follow to operate legally. Why does this matter? Because law helps you avoid mistakes that can even shut down businesses. Business mathematics and statistics. Here, you will work with numbers, ratios, probability, and data analysis. It might sound a bit intimidating at first, but this subject is actually the decision-making toolkit that every business professional needs. And here's the truth, maths and stats are your secret weapon for analytics and finance jobs. Number 3, another language paper. Depending on your college, this could be English again or a regional language. The focus is on improving your communication and comprehension skills, which are crucial in both academics and career growth. In fact, languages and communication are often what actually get you hired. Think of semester 2 as the advanced toolkit. Law tells you what you can or can't do. Maths and stats help you measure it, and language helps you explain it. Now, if you are planning to pursue an additional course alongside BCom, one of the smartest choices is CMA USA, and the best part? You can do it with the world's #1 institute, Northstar Academy, under the direct mentorship of global mentor M. Irfan. Check the link in the description if you want to see how CMA USA can actually fast-track your career. So here's your cheat sheet. Semester 1, environment, financial accounting, business organization, management, and language. Semester 2, business law, business maths, and stats, language. That's your entire BCom first year syllabus, simplified in 2 minutes. In year 2, you'll step into hardcore subjects like corporate accounting, income tax, and auditing. That's where things really get interesting. So hit subscribe and don't miss the year 2 breakdown. Trust me, you'll thank yourself later.